Hey, it's Jaco here. Thanks for watching this video. And today I'm going to take a look at Facebook Live videos. And I'm going to share a few tips with you that can help you to get better when you're starting out with it. Now, tip number one, jump in and give it a try. Okay, so that's how you should start, is taking action. And the cool thing is you can use the private setting of only me to start off with your Facebook Lives. This will help you to practice it and to get comfortable in front of the camera and start to do your own videos. Next step, plan your Facebook Live strategy and set goals for what you want to accomplish. So set it up for a week, work it out, what you're going to do every day, what you're going to talk about, what's your headlines, what you want to share, and plan out your goals, what you want to achieve with it for the next week, next month, etc. Next step, take advantage of the description area of your Facebook Live page, right? That's important. That's how you grab people's attention. Also, tell people what your Facebook Live is going to be about to grab attention, to get people to come and take a look, right? This is a great place for reminding viewers also if you want to add call of action and links, etc. Right, next step, make it interactive by mentioning live viewers. So, mingle with people, say hi to them, ask for input, and encourage viewers to ask questions. Very important. So, make it interactive, chat with people, welcome them into your live stream, etc. Next step, don't forget to ask your viewers to share the replay video. Very important, that call to action. Let people share your video, to ask them to like it and leave comments as well, which is really a good thing as well for the algorithm. Find your target audience and draw them in with your Facebook Live content. If I were you, join groups, mingle with people, find your people that you like and connect with them. Get them as a connection as friends, and obviously when you start a live, Facebook will notify your friends that you are doing a live, which is a great thing. Develop a funnel to direct your viewers from Facebook to your site and your list. This is super important. You want to build your email list. You always want to build your email list. Okay, so you want people to get onto your opt-in page and then enter their details to get whatever. So you send them a free ebook or a subscription to a free course. Doesn't really matter what you do, but you need to get them on your email list because this is important. Social media come and go. I mean, Facebook is still popular. I mean, people are still there, but now at this very moment of making this video, TikTok is the place to be. And that's where all marketers is. So it's changing over time. But your email list is your email list and it belongs to you. And that is super important to build that list. Next step, market your Facebook live streams in replays to multiply your results. Sorry. So yeah, when you did your video, it also might be a great idea to take that live and add it on YouTube, and maybe make an image of it and add it on Pinterest, share it on TikTok, on Instagram, so that you can get as much exposure for your video, for your live video, Facebook live video as possible. Next step, monitor your progress and adjust as needed to reach your business goal. So, you'll see, maybe do some research on other Facebook Lives, see what people were doing, how their results were, and make some changes if you don't see results. Obviously, it's important to understand in the beginning, you won't get that much results. It takes time, right? So you keep on building your friends list, get people connect with them as friends, and keep on doing it. Adjust, see what people like. Ask questions in Facebook Lives, what people would like to hear, what you talk about, and ask them to. And also, you can make videos from all the questions you get. So keep that in mind. Broadcast regularly and have fun with it. Super, super important. Have fun with it. Be consistent. Try to do a Facebook Live every day. If you can't every day, 2 or 3 times a week, and be consistent with your creating content, creating videos, and have fun with it. I know it's probably not going to be easy in the beginning, especially to be on video and seeing yourself on video. But if you use the only me setting for in the beginning just for yourself and practice it, you'll get more comfortable, and you'll learn what to say and see yourself in front of the video, and yeah, you'll get better at it. Simple as that. So thanks for watching this video. I think that was the last tip. I hope you found it helpful. Please like and subscribe. Share the video to someone if you know that could help it, and or it could help them. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.